French cuisine is renowned for its exquisite flavors, techniques, and presentation. Here are some of the best meals in French cuisine. Number 1. Coq au vin. This classic French dish features tender chicken braised in red wine, along with bacon, mushrooms, and aromatic herbs. It is a rich and flavorful dish typically served with potatoes or crusty bread. Number 2. Bouillabaisse. Originating from the port city of Marseille, Bouillabaisse is a flavorful fish stew made with a variety of fish, shellfish, vegetables, and aromatic herbs. It is often accompanied by a saffron-infused broth and served with rouille, a garlic and saffron mayonnaise. Number 3. Beef Bourguignon. Another iconic French dish, beef bourguignon consists of slow-cooked beef braised in red wine, along with onions, carrots, mushrooms, and herbs. The result is tender and succulent meat with a rich, flavorful sauce. Number 4. Escargots de Bourgogne. Escargots, or snails, are a delicacy in French cuisine. The snails are cooked in a garlic and herb butter sauce, creating a unique and luxurious appetizer. Number 5. Duck Orange. This dish showcases tender roasted duck served with a sweet and tangy orange sauce. The combination of savory and citrus flavors creates a harmonious and delightful taste experience. Number 6. Ratatouille. Ratatouille is a traditional Provençal vegetable stew made with a medley of tomatoes, eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, onions, and herbs. It is a vibrant and flavorful dish that highlights the freshness of seasonal vegetables.
阿吉野马 Remix。
Number 7. Quiche Lorraine. A classic French savory tart, Quiche Lorraine consists of a buttery pastry crust filled with a mixture of eggs, cream, bacon, and cheese. It is a versatile dish that can be enjoyed for brunch, lunch, or dinner.
Eight, Crème Brûlée.
A popular French dessert, Crème Brûlée features a rich custard base with a caramelized sugar topping. The contrast between the smooth, creamy custard and the crisp, caramelized sugar creates a delightful texture and flavor.
Number 9. Tarte Tatin.
This upside-down caramelized apple tart is a true French classic. Slices of apples are caramelized in butter and sugar before being baked with a buttery pastry crust. It is often served warm with a dollop of whipped cream or vanilla ice cream. Number 10. Soufflé. A quintessential French dessert, the soufflé is a light and airy baked dish made from a base of beaten egg whites and flavored with ingredients such as chocolate, cheese, or fruit. It is known for its delicate texture and impressive rise.
If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community. By subscribing, you won't miss any of our exciting new videos.